Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be unboxing something a little bit special. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet, but it is from somebody I saw on Twitter. They were selling something from the Apple Park campus over in California. So this is one of those items you can only get over there. And they were selling it at cost, so I offered him 10 bucks more, just to be fair, and told him I would purchase it. Let's see, nothing else in there. So it is a bag. It's an Apple Park tote. It is the black with the white lettering or gray lettering, as you can see there. So pretty cool. They only sell these at the store. He was selling some shirts and stuff like that as well. But this is a coated Tyvek material. So kind of, I think it's the same stuff they make like tarps and stuff out of. But I thought it would be something pretty cool to have, since it's something you can only get, at that store, and I live all the way across the country. But it says Apple Park on it, has the little spaceship-looking campus there, and then on the back it says Apple Park, California 95014, which is the zip code. And then it is, like I said, the gray lettering on the black bag, and then the inside is just white. I'm not going to use the bag for anything. It's just going to be one of those items that I have. I might hang it up like on the wall or something like that. But I'm going to do something cool with it and hang it up, just to, keep it nice and everything like that. But pretty cool. I think it was $25 in the store. I gave him $35, just because he was shipping it from Canada, so he had to go through the customs and stuff like that. But thank you to the person. I'm not going to name his Twitter or anything because it wasn't something that he contacted me about. It was just something I came across, so I don't know if he wants this information out there. But he had some shirts and some bags and stuff for sale that he had picked up. I'm pretty sure everything else is already sold though. He had one buyer lined up for this, and they never messaged him back. So I was next in line, and I ended up getting it. So there is the bag. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and have a great day.